In this video, I show you how to do an orthogonal drawing of your Crossy Road animal. If your animal is a tall animal like a giraffe or a unicorn, place your page portrait. If it is short and round, like a wombat, place it horizontal so that your views will fit on the page. The first thing you need to do is rule a line across the bottom using your ruler as a guide. We're going to put our front view here first. So rule that in as neatly as possible. So I've drawn in my front view of my echidna, and as you can see, there is no perspective at all. It's just drawn straight on. What I need to do now is measure 20 millimeters from here to here. Make a little mark. And I'm going to rule a line like this. And now I'm going to draw the front view of my echidna. Sorry though. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, so now I have drawn the front of my echidna, which I'm actually going to call the right hand side view. And as you can see, there is exactly 20 mils between views, and everything, all the different features line up. So the tops of the echidna lines up, the top of the body lines up, and the bottom of the body, as does the little nose section, which is a little bit messy. Now I'm going to do the same thing and actually line my top view up, looking straight down on the echidna. What I might do is actually just add some guidelines going straight up, and that will allow me to get everything perfectly in line. Once again, there's 20 mil between views, so I always mark that in first. And we draw our top view, and it has to be the same width as this, like this. And when I'm looking down on this strange little tongue, I'm going to see this, and the eyes stick out a bit, so I'm going to draw those in. Now I'm going to use guidelines for all of the spikes as well, because I want them to all line up neatly. So now I've drawn my front, top and right hand views. I am going to actually label my views, and I use 5 mil capital letters to do that. So I always rule in guides for my labels. I labeled it front, right and top. And I rub out all of the lines, the projection lines and guidelines that I don't need. And I'm going to add a third angle projection symbol here. And then I'm going to take a photo of it and upload it onto my slides.